own definition of contemporary dance is born out of your real siguro concern and dissatisfaction about understanding what it really means, especially in the Philippine context. So for now, because of being exposed internationally and also being guilty of not understanding what it means to be out there and saying what I think is contemporary dance from my own perspective, I'm saying that as a contemporary dance for me is an exercise in fact of really defining what it is. I really did not, I think, dance with the virtue of understanding what contemporary dance is, di ba? Kasi initially naman parang you just want to be a dancer, kasi eventually you want to create and then create works. But after creating works and then having a chance to have an opportunity of performing in international dance festivals, dun parang lumalaki yung responsibility at dun lumalaki yung pagtanong dun sa idea na what are you really bringing out there as a Filipino? Because the history of contemporary dance is considered as being Eurocentric or also Western in orientation. And I think so, nung bumalik ako at habang tumatagal at nasa Pilipinas ka, you want to be able to engage the international scene and really tell them exactly what you think contemporary dance is in the context of the Philippines, especially that you are expected to be performing with some expectation that you are coming from an Asian country, diba? So, and I will never be a folk dancer, or I cannot do indigenous dances because I am from the city. So then the real trajectory would really be understanding what contemporary dance is and create my own idea and present my own consciousness of what contemporary dance is within the Philippine landscape. And in that case, para siyang you have a lot of contemporary artists who are redefining what contemporary art is for them. So in that case, it gives you a kind of a freedom to really create your own piece and the own philosophy and your own discourse of what contemporary dance is, and say this is my not necessarily definition, but at least this is my point of view of what I think contemporary dance is by virtue of the work I do. So then it gives me, kumbaga parang I met, I think I attended a lecture of Randy David. So in that lecture, because there is really so much question about the cultural identity of the Filipino, and it has been a big question, what is the national identity? It has been a big guilt with a lot of artists in the Philippines. And with that whole framework of autopoesia, which means that we auto-create who we are, is a new perspective in the whole issue of what national identity is about. No one is going to tell us what is our identity. And the whole idea of identity is not something that is out there that we want to follow and say this is. We, by virtue of being here, is defining our own creation and saying, this is who I am. So in that case, that has given me, I think, just like you, a real liberation and freedom to say, this is my contemporary dance. And I am a Filipino engaging a global platform of contemporary dance. And this is my solution, or this is my strategy, or this is my suggestion. And then you kind of like let the people decide what they think about the work. But in the end, I am enjoying that independence to say that I am defining it based on my own experience and based on the works that I do.